At DCE Services, we're committed to delivering high-quality solar installation solutions that drive the future of renewable energy. With a diverse range of expertise, we bring precision and professionalism to every project, whether it's ground mounts, carports, rooftops, or battery energy storage systems. Our ground mount installation solutions include comprehensive civil, mechanical, and electrical work. From grading and trenching to mounting and wiring, our teams ensure each project is optimized for efficiency and built to withstand the elements. For rooftop installations, we specialize in seamless mechanical and electrical integrations tailored to the unique requirements of each site. Our teams work to maximize energy production while preserving the integrity of the roof structure. And with our expertise in battery energy storage systems, we provide end-to-end installation services, including site preparation and mechanical assembly. We ensure your system is set up to store energy effectively, making solar a reliable solution. No matter the project scope or scale, DCE Services delivers innovation, reliability, and excellence. From ground mounts, carports, rooftops, and energy storage, our team has the expertise to power your vision for a sustainable future. Visit us at www.dcesolar.com/services to learn more about how we can bring your solar projects to life. Together, we're building a brighter tomorrow.